Alright, so congratulations one more time on finishing the Microsoft Word. We're on our halfway journey and you did great improvements on Microsoft Word. Reference is another menu which is very important, and in this reference menu we have many category, many groups, table of contents, footnotes, research, citations and bibliography, captions, index, and finally table of authorities. I'm gonna especially go through the table of contents. It's very important you understand table of contents. What does it doing really? So let's go right now with table of contents. So click in here. It says heading 1, and there are built-in styles. I can get more from office.com. I can go with custom table of contents, or I can remove table of contents as well. But how you can really create that? Okay, for example, let me just do a trick in here and go to the next page. And right now, how you can enter a table of contents. For example, if you enter, it says there isn't anything. Okay, how you can do that? So it says no table of content found. What's the problem? Okay, there isn't any problem. I'm gonna say heading 1. So we should put heading really. Heading 1 and then heading 2, for example. So each one of these titles should be heading. In here, you can choose heading 1. And this one heading 2, and you can use shortcut as well, control with alt, command with alt and 2. So there you go, I have already chosen, and I'm gonna copy paste them because it's for the sake of time. We don't have time too much, and I'm gonna paste in here. Okay, I already paste. I'm gonna go to the next page, paste it as well. I mean, this is only for understanding, okay? This is not the real work. You have to heading the particular title you have in your document, and you should be precise on that. So this is the heading 1 and heading 2. We're gonna go. That's it, really. Okay. I think this one doesn't look nice. So we're gonna go down again, paste again, pasting. I think this is enough. For now, we can go to table of contents, and then we can add anything we wanted. So in here, you go in here, and it says you just update it. For now, it says heading 1, heading 2, heading 1, heading 2. So it's updated. So that's called table of contents. And if I remove it, and if I delete it, and I can go back to reference, and I can bring back anything I wanted. So that's it. I can go with custom table of contents to see and to have more table of contents. This is the print preview, and this is the web preview. I can go with table leaders. For example, let's go with this, or let's go with this. I can show a number page. I can go to right align page numbers. I can go with classic or fancy, modern. Any style is available in here, and you can go with any style you want it. For example, this style is very better. So you can click and you can say yes. Right now it's replaced and it looks really amazing. Okay, wow, that's look amazing. I can go even here, and I can really go to in here as well. I can remove from here, but I cannot customize it. I should customize from here. I can add a leader as well. For now, it looks even better and awesome. Yes, it looks really great and awesome for now. So that's how you can add table of contents in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's talk about the rest in next lecture. By the way, this update table is only updating. Okay, you can update in two ways. Like you can update page numbers only, or you can update entire table as well. We have also add text. We can add level to this, level 1, 2, 3. But for now, let's skip over it.